Hello and welcome to Programs and Me YouTube channel. Today let's see how to use triple quotes in Python. Triple quotes in Python are versatile and can be used in different ways. You can write double triple quotes like this or single triple quotes. You can use both in Python. Okay, first we can use triple quotes to write multi-line strings like this. For example, use triple quotes like this. Then let's take a variable to store this string. Let's save this and run this. And here you can see strings in multiple lines. We can do this using double quotes also, but you need to use escape sequence. Okay, next. You can use triple quotes to include single or double quotes inside a string. That is, if I want to include double quotes or single quotes inside a string like this. Okay, now if I save this and run this, here we can see double quotes inside the string. We can do this using triple quotes. Next. Triple quotes in Python can be used to write and print string as it is, preserving all the line breaks, indentation and spacing you include in the code. Whatever we'll write within this double quotes, it will write and print that string as it is. Let's take another example. I'll include this in triple quotes. Now I want to print this string as it is to the screen. It will store this string in this variable. Next, when we print that using print function, and here you can see the output. Triple quotes can be used to preserve formatting in strings. Next, you can use triple quotes to write multi-line comments. That is, here you can write like this. Here you can see the result. Here this is not a comment actually. This is a multi-line string, but it is not assigned to any variable. Next, triple quotes are used to write docstring in Python. Docstring stands for documentation string. It is a special kind of string in Python used to document your code. You can use it in function, classes, modules and methods. They help others or even for yourself to understand what your code is doing and how to use it. What is the logic or thought process behind that code? You can understand that using docstring. Here this is a docstring. This is the function definition. We haven't covered function yet. We'll discuss about this docstring in more detail later in this series. Here, whatever written here inside this is the docstring, documentation string. And you can print that docstring using this. So let's save this and execute this. Here we can see the result. Then this is the docstring. You can print the docstring like this. So by seeing this, you can understand what we are doing here. What is the thought process or logic behind this function. Okay, so this is about triple quotes and how we can use triple quotes in Python. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.